Okay, I'm gonna connect these ground wires, and this is just spliced wire, and I'm gonna take the ground wires and I just kind of hook them together like that. And now I can take it and attach it to my other ground here. And I'm using a white wire nut. I wish they would give you a little bit more length to the green wires, the ceiling fan, but they don't. Okay. See, now I only have 2 wires being connected. I don't have to hold those other 2 up there by themselves. And let's see if this yellow wire nut's going to tighten. I think it will. I could have used an orange one, but it might have been almost too tight. Okay. I think that's good. Okay. Now I can push that up into the box. And we're down to the black and white. Now see, this was our long piece because we didn't know how long it was going to need to be, did we? So I don't have to cut that real short. I'm gonna leave a little bit of length to this. Are you catching me there, camera person?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna cut that off. We can use that wire for something else. And now I can get this stuff off. I'm gonna make this, you know, 1/2 inch long or a little less than that, maybe. Okay. And usually what I do with this wire, it's stranded. I called it spline wire before. It's stranded wire. That means there's lots of small itty bitty pieces in there. That makes this really flexible and stuff. Once I strip it, I twist all the ends together to make the ends stiff. Okay. Now I'm going to need some orange wire nuts, and I think I had some down there. I should have them in my nail bag.
I got some right here.
Oh, I got them, Mark.
Oh.
I'll give them a couple wire nuts here. And I'm going to connect the black to the black.
Is this the long one? Is this the long rod?
Oh, hey Nancy.
Hey, Mike. Looking good.
Joe. She always calls me by my middle name for some reason. I don't know why she does that. It's Joe, you remember? I know you like to call me
I know, Joe, but you look like I'm
You
white
know.
to me.
Yeah, that's right. There's some other guy who roams around this island that looks exactly like me.
Yeah,
I've
and
heard.
he has a bird on his shoulder.
I think his name, yeah. Okay. Okay, so now I'm just going to take these wires and I've got to kind of push them back into this box. I don't necessarily have to get them all the way in the box because the housing, as long as I have them inside the housing, right? Just have to have them inside the housing. Okay. I'm just going to take this wire and kind of push it in there. Like so. There. Voila. That was important that we have this housing, this trim, on our extension rod first, wasn't it, Mark?
Exactly.
You reminded me about that, because if not, you're going to have to take it all apart.
There's that nut right there, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
You see it?
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay. Now this thing comes with some little washers too, and I'm going to put the washers. I'm going to put the little washers up too. I hate putting the washers up because sometimes when you take this back down, see, that fits right like that. Sometimes when you take this down, the washer falls and lands right inside the top of your motor housing and gets right inside. I've had it happen before. So just be careful with that.
You got to take it all down and tip it upside down.
Well, I pray that no noise is going to happen and that the fan is still going to go good. I wouldn't put these up, but I don't know. I'm just doing it because because I can. Okay. Now just get that snug. You can have it loose first if you want, and kind of make sure it's pushed up there. Okay. And I'm snugging it down, and that's it. It's all done up there. Now, what I can do right here, let's talk about these set screws now, shall we? Okay. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.